Howdy! Look at the beauty that I made today.
Wow, good job. You made jelly.
You dipshit, this is cream caramel. This is one of the most popular desserts in the restaurants nowadays. Man, just hold the freaking camera steady and absorb the information inside, okay? So I've made this dessert in cups like these, each one about slightly more than 500 milliliters. And this is the ingredients that you'll need for it. Milk, 4 eggs, sugar, pinch of salt, vanilla extract. For the caramel, you'll need lemon juice, more sugar, and some water. Man, what's the most important thing in this recipe?
The cream?
No, the most important thing is that you don't get in the way. So, the first thing you do is the caramel. How do we do the caramel?
Buy it at the store?
To a frying pan, we add some water, sugar, and some lemon juice. Now you let the sugar caramelize until it becomes something like light brown color. And make sure that you do not stir your mixture. Once it starts vigorously boiling, you want to make sure that you don't leave it and always stay near your caramel, because once the water or the big chunk of water is evaporated, it's going to start burning right away. So you want to be right next to it. You see it starting to brown, so take it off the heat. In about 3 seconds, everything's just gonna set right away. So make sure that you spread your caramel quickly. Now that the caramel is done, we do the cream.
How unexpected.
For the cream, we take our eggs, beat them in. To your eggs, add the sugar. And give this a whisk. To the mixture, add cold milk. And slowly whisk it in. And now add the vanilla extract. As well as a little pinch of salt for stabilization. Try to whisk it as well as possible, and then after that, give it a little strain. This is needed to make your custard as silky as you can make it. Now separate your strained mixture into your two containers in which you're going to have the cream caramel. And make sure that your containers in which you're going to cook the caramel are in a bigger container, because we're going to pour some water into the larger container. And they're sort of going to boil / steam in there. Fill it almost halfway through. And then grab some foil or a lid if you have one for your container. And cover your thing with foil. Set the stove to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or about 150 Celsius and cook it for 45 minutes. How to check if it's done? Well, it's easy. Use their good old method. Just take a bite. I'm kidding. Use a toothpick. Stub it all the way through, somewhere in the middle, and take it right out. If the toothpick is dry, then it's done. If there's some wet stuff on it, then it's probably not done. Using a knife, cut your custard around the edges, and then just put a plate on top, flip the entire thing, and hope for the best. Anyways, it's done. So now You can eat it as it is, as hot, but I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be eaten chilled. So just let it cool at room temperature for a couple hours, and then it's better if you stick it into refrigerator for a few more hours. But if you're impatient, then just go at it now. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, because I really enjoyed filming this, baking this. I think it turned out quite good. It looks great, at least somewhat. It tastes awesome, tastes godlike. Anyways, thanks for watching again. Please subscribe, put your likes, hope not dislikes. Share this video maybe with your friends, fam, or whoever you want, or everyone else, or I don't know, strangers on the street. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy!